Good morning, class. For the class Form 2 to Amanah, which is today, 5th July 2021, pada pukul kelas at 11:30 until 12:30 p.m. Okay, on Monday, today class. So we are going to enter the new chapter, which is chapter 5, circles. Chapter 5, circles. Please open your textbook, page 74 and 77. Okay, for today, objective, we will learn about 5.1 properties of circles, and then 5.1.1 getting to know the parts of circle. Okay, 5.1.1 ni untuk belajar hari ni je, di mana bagaimana awak nak mengetahui bahagian-bahagian bulatan. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, there are 11. There are 11 of parts of circle that you have to know, you have to understand. Perlu tahu, perlu hafal dan perlu faham. Okay, you have to understand each of the words that I'm going to teach you. Okay, saya akan tekankan sikit. Okay. First of all, radius. Okay, part of circle number 1, radius. Radius referring to a straight line from the center of the circles to any point on the circumference. Okay, radius ni merujukkan garis lurus yang bermula daripada pertengahan center of the circle to any point of circumference. Sebelum itu, at the same time, mesti buka buku teks awak balik. Okay, look at here. Word link. Word link. Jangan baca-baca je tapi tidak faham. Okay, center maksudnya pusat tadi. Alright, circumference referring to lilitan. Okay. Circumference lilitan. Okay, next. Diameter. Diameter, a straight line that touch the circumference to the center of the circle. Diameter is a straight line, garis lurus yang menyentuh, that touch circumference. Apa circumference tadi kelas? Okay, lilitan. Lilitannya lilitan bulatan ni kelas. Okay, circumference to the center of the circle. Ingat center maksudnya pusat. Okay, next. Chord. C-H-O-R-D, chord. Awak tengok garis lurus chord ni a straight line that joins any 2 points of the circumference. Maksudnya chord ni kelas dia tidak kena dekat pusat. Okay, dia tak macam yang radius dengan diameter. Dia tak kena dengan pusat tetapi dia bercantum di antara satu lilitan ke satu lilitan. Circumference tadi. Okay, seterusnya. Okay, cikgu terus pergi, cikgu naik atas ni dulu. Okay, circumference dekat sini pula. Okay, lepas ni cikgu ajar yang seterusnya. Yang ni, asas, cikgu ajar yang asas. Okay, circumference pula perimeter of a circle. Circumference ni tadilah lilitan. Okay, lilitan dekat luar ni, lilitan bulatan. Okay, center pula. Center, a fixed point where all points on the circumference are equidistant from it. Maksudnya, titik tengah, titik yang tetap. Pusat yang tetap dekat tengah-tengah bulatan. Okey, barulah kita memahami the next of the part of the circle. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okey, cikgu terus lompat lagi dekat bawah ni. Okay? Sorry. Cikgu lompat dekat bawah ni. Okey, arc. Okey, sekejap cikgu tengok. Arc ni merujuk pada arc ni, arc tak silap cikgu, okey, dalam bahasa arc. Okey. Arc, there are 2 of arc which is minor arc and major arc. Okey, arc is part of the circumference. Okey, minor arc ni merujuk kepada lilitan arc yang kecil ni. Sudut ni. Major arc pula merujuk kepada lilitan yang panjang. Major. Okay. Tengok pula my sector. Okay, sector is the region enclosed by two radii and an arc. Okay, minor sector adalah merujuk kepada yang minor arc. Minor arc tadi adalah lilitan dekat luaran. Kalau minor sector is referring to inside of the circumference. Okay, minor sector merujuk kepada dalam dia. Major sector pun sama juga. Okay, understand minor arc, minor sector, major arc, major sector. Okay, sector merujuk pada yang dalaman. Okay, arc tadi merujuk pada lilitan yang dekat luar. Okay, who is the biggest one? Who is the smallest one? Okay, next. Segment. There are two again, minor segment and major segment, which is segment referring to the region enclosed by a chord and an arc. So look at the example here. Okay, dekat sini, cikgu nak awak salin latihan ni. Okay, mesti salin. Kalau tak dapat buat besar macam ni dalam buku latihan, awak buat satu persatu. Radius, salin radius, apa maksud, apa meaning of the radius, and then awak lukis bulat besar sikit dekat tepi nota awak. Okay, tak perlu ikut ni dalam satu muka surat. Cikgu tak nak, nanti tak cantik nota awak. Saya nak awak salin satu persatu. Okay, next example 1 below is page. Ni page apa 70 ni? Page 77. This one, page 77. So, example 1, identify the following parts of a circle. Okay, A, chord. A dekat mana? Chord, garis lurus. B, diameter. Where is B, diameter? Here, a straight line form a diameter to the another diameter. Okay, radius. Which one is radius? C here. Macam mana radius tadi? And then circumference. D. Lilitan bulatan. Sector. Dekat mana sector? E. Here. And then arc pula. F is here. Okay, dekat luar dia. Okay. Kau boleh tengok contoh 5 muka surat 77. Okay, next. The last one. Okay, I want you to do self-practice 5.1, which is name the following parts. Point O, apa point O tadi? Apa maksud point O tadi? Bukan maksud dia namakan. Dia minta awak namakan. Bukan maksud dia. And then line AOC, apa tadi garis lurus kalau AOC ni? Kalau dia terkena dekat pusat on the center. From the other diameter to the other diameter. Okay, and the rest. I want you name it and then lukiskan this one. Okay, that's all for today. Form 2 to A class, 2 amanah. Okay, I see you on the next class.